but it will come in the future.
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria passport ino, Minister wa ihinda wa ugitiri Fred Matiang'i niaugire ni kuhuthia ugendi undu umwe na kugacirithia ugitiri gatagati-ini ka mabũrũri macio.
The e-passport that we launched today puts us in a new league, that we are going to have a secure, reliable, trackable document for movement and for travel across East Africa, but also of course across the world.
Mutaratara uyu uri uhuthirite ciringi milioni 500 ni ukuhuthia muhatikano wa andu wabici-ini icio cia kuoya passport o undu umwe na kunyihia ihinda ria gweterera.
Some 12 of your colleagues are not with you today. They have had to leave. And we will maintain that seriousness as we move forward. That those of our brothers and sisters who are not able to live with the levels of integrity we want in the Department of Immigration Services will have no option but to leave us.
Akiaria ihinda-ini ro riu murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge ruru Gordon Kihalangwa niaugite niguo gutigirira mutaratara uyu ni wagia na uhotani ni marikitie kugathika mashini cia kiriu iria ciina uhoti wa guthondeka passport 2,000 oro muthenya.
The printers were made by Mubal from German, and we have 2 printers. These will be able to produce exactly 2,000 passports per day. The maximum we have been able to do with what we have is almost 800. I'm actually seeing a service delivery increased so that we will not have the long queues.
Akenya aria mena passport nguru mahetwo ihinda ria miaka 2 gukorwo moete yo njeru.
This is the e-passport.
Niguo kwigwatira passport ino, Mukenya arabatara kuihuria form kugerera mutambo wa kiriu wa e-Citizen, acoke kinye wabici-ini cia kuheana passport guku Nairobi, Githumo kana Mombasa niguo ahote kuoyo mbica hamwe na irore. Uruguria wa passport ino njeru iria irakurekana ta e-passport ni kianjiriria kieru kuri muingi wa Kenya na muno makiria kuri ahuri biashara amu ni marihotaga kugenda thiini wa mabũrũri ma gitaro kia Afrika ya irathiro ona ningi gukorwo magitambũrĩkana thiini wa mabũrũri mathi na koguo kugia na kamweke kiega ga kuhota kwandandura wonjoria ona ningi gwetha miaramano. Muigai wa Gathũngũ, Kameme TV kuma guku muciĩ wa Nairobi.